Is now the time to write lowball offers on properties? Well, it depends. Some properties are really well priced, and it depends on how you define a lowball offer. Now more than ever, it's really important to understand where the market's going based on statistics, and to really understand the market in different price points and for different product types. In other words, are you offering on a single family home or a one-bedroom condo? That's going to change how you offer, or how you structure an offer. I want to just talk about three stories, three scenarios that I've encountered lately working with buyers. Recently, I went with a buyer to look at a really well-priced single-family home in Kitsilano, in a really nice part of Kitsilano in the west side of Vancouver. This home, it was obvious that the listing agent was looking for multiple offers. He'd priced the home about $200,000 less than the last sale that compared to the home that he was selling. That's how realtors determine value. They look at the last sale that happened in the area. This one was priced at $1,188,000 right at 12th Avenue in Blenheim, 33-foot wide lot by 130 deep. The last sales in the neighborhood indicated a market value or sale price at around $2.1 million. He had about 90 groups, this realtor, come through his open house and all the showings he did for realtors and public open houses. So what happened here? My buyer unfortunately didn't make an offer, but he had one offer. One offer. 90 groups came through in the 1 week he had the home available and on the market. One subject offer, and it sold right at the asking price, $1,888,000. Second story I want to tell you, other side of the spectrum, I'm working with with a first-time buyer. This was a really well-priced two-bedroom home in East Vancouver, priced right under $550,000. Again, the open house was slammed. Tons of first-time buyers looking in this price category. But they got scared. They got scared because they didn't want to compete. And I don't blame people for not wanting to compete. But why not in an uncertain market? Why not put an offer in at where you feel the value is and write a subject offer so you have time to study documents, to study bylaws, to give yourself time and put yourself in the driver's seat. Make a subject offer. Who cares if you're competing? Now's the time to test the market and write a cheekier offer. Scenario number 3. Again, this was with a buyer that I was personally working with. We were looking at a building down by the water on False Creek, concrete building, $800,000 price point. The last sale in the building, $865,000. But a smaller home, believe it or not, $865,000, just sold a few months ago. This one was priced at around $830,000. It had been reduced actually to $830,000. And my client was thinking, well, I'll just go in pretty close to the reduced asking price. And I said, no, hold on a second. Let's go in at $800,000. Let's test the market. Now is the time to test the market. Be a little bit cheeky, be a little bit cocky. So we went in at $800,000. We bought it for $55,000 less than the last sale in the building that was comparable to this one. A very recent sale. This one that my client offered on was larger and a better design, a better floor plan. So what's the takeaway from this video? Well, the takeaway is be cocky, be cheeky. Now is the time to really test the market. My name is David Seton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. If you'd like to contact me, you can reach me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.